air condition AC tone calculate. Air condition size air condition room size length of room equal to 40 feet height of room 17 feet. We know AC size equal to square root first bracket length of room into height of room bracket close divided by 10 feet. Room height equal to 10 feet. AC size equal to square root first bracket 14 into 17 bracket close divided 10. Room length of 14 feet height of 17 feet divided 10 feet height. AC size equal to 15.42. AC size equal to 1.5 ton. 6000 BTU equal to 1/2 ton AC. 12,000 BTU equal to 1 ton AC use. 18,000 BTU 1.5 ton AC using. 24,000 BTU equal to 2 ton AC using. 13,000 BTU equal to 2.5 ton AC using. 14,000 BTU equal to 3 ton AC using. Full calculate the air condition size.